Alright guys, so I got a tight shirt on today, so my apologies. But I've got something to do. So, as you guys know, my Mojave has been down a little while. But we're gonna actually have to move that. I didn't want to, but we're gonna have to. So what we're gonna do is hold on one second here. Alright guys, so as you know, if you've seen my other video the other day, we ripped this Grom. I mean, I don't know how to put it, but it didn't get ripped, but it broke in half basically. This top cover, not this one, it's somewhere here, that one over there, ended up ripping off the top, and I'm gonna guess we ripped out all these holes, and there's gonna be a couple factors to that. I don't think it was just the car landing the way it did or anything like that. I think they might have been a little stripped from when I put it together, not gonna lie. Just giving them too much ooga doogas. So what we're going to do today, we're going to transfer this system into the Mojave, but I want to shorten these wires up on this ESC. They're really long. It's ridiculous. They're getting in the way every time I do something. So let's shorten them up a little bit, and then yeah. But I will need my soldering iron for that. And I need to find my wire cutter because I want to use the wire cutter to do it. It shouldn't be far, but looks like it might be. So I'll go ahead and do that quick, and then I'll come back and we'll continue to build the Mojave. So motor is resoldered and finished. It is not my best work, but it will do. So first thing I want to do is get this motor in. So luckily they all use the same mount, so I don't have to worry about that. And it looks like this motor might actually fit without modifying the cover. So this. Oh, take it back. So let's take this cover actually off. Not the cover, the motor mount. Let's see if we can just spin the motor the other way. Because if we can, that would be ideal. And we won't need to cut apart the chassis or nothing. I think it should fit in there without having to dissect the chassis. Jeez, I'm not looking on the record. So now looking at this, I think that's too far, yeah. That's not gonna work. Okay. Great. So sadly guys, there isn't anywhere else to mount it on this motor. tell you guys, this is a pain. Let's try that. Alright, so I'm gonna go grab my Gerbil battery and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've got the castle motor fitted and I had to grind some of this away. Receiver, and then we have our ESC and servo. So this thing's ready to go outside and take a rip. Let's get it out and let's have some fun. Let's see if these stock diffs last with this castle system in it. This is 3S power, so we are putting quite a bit of power through this. I'm wondering how this system is going to take it with heating. It's probably not going to take it very well because this truck is a lot heavier than the buggy, and even the buggy had some overheat issues with the system. But let's go see. My buggy is now tore all the way down. We're going to have to replace the chassis, so not a big deal, but it's going to take some time. I got to wait for parts and things to come. Still having good luck with those tires, though. The tires didn't break when I crashed, which was nice. So now, let's grab the body, let's head outside, and let's give this thing a rip. Let's give it a little rip here. Now this thing is absolutely moving. And there with the body, what do you know? Welcome to Mojave Grom. So, look at that, guys. That's so fucking dumb. Oh, I hate this Grom. So we took something out. I'm gonna guess it's the spur gear because this pinion is chewed up from the motor coming loose in the buggy. Let's take it inside and let's take a quick. So guys, I did come down, pull it apart quick, and it seems that the spider gears inside the diff are just totally gone. So I'm sure that's what happened. The front diff still seems to be functioning fine. I can still hear the diff in there. I'm gonna pop these springs to make it a little bit easier to put the diff in. I do have an extra diff. I actually have 2 of them, so we'll throw one of those in, and then we'll make sure it's functioning correctly. So we got it back together. Seems to be operating right. I'm going to go throw my radio on and check it out. I think for the heck of it, we'll tear this down really quick and just look at it.